guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. I know my shooting location looks quite different because I am on this really beautiful cruise ship. I'm so excited to be partnering with Princess Cruises, and this is going to be my home for the next few days. I'm going to show you guys what this amazing ship has to offer. Before I show you guys this amazing room, I'm going to give you guys some pre-requirement details. I boarded a train from London, and from there I reached Southampton within just few hours. Honestly, I was so excited just to see the ship from outside, and from there I went for my COVID test, and after the COVID test results were negative, I went to the security and boarded this amazing cruise. Now let's begin with the room tour. I was staying in a luxurious mini suite with balcony, which is an affordable option for families and groups. The suite has floor-to-ceiling sliding glass doors, a separate sitting area with sofa bed, and a comfortable queen bed. There are 2 flat panel televisions, a refrigerator, a desk, spacious closet, and a lovely bathroom with all the amenities. Now saving the best for the last, spacious balcony. Oh my god, look at the view. How beautiful. So off we go. This cruise ship is going to be my home for the next 4 nights. There's not going to be any port stop, so I will be surrounded by sea all the time. I'm all set for dinner. Before I headed for dinner, I met my team for drinks at Good Spirits at Sea. It's the place where every drink is an experience and tells a story, connecting you to those around you and regional flavors around the world. If you prefer non-alcoholic drinks like me, then you will definitely love it because all the drinks that they craft is so delicious. Honestly, even before I boarded this cruise, I was super excited to see this atrium. It's like discovering old world charm. This piazza is inspired by the vibrant squares of Europe. These spiral staircases took my breath away. I absolutely love the performers. You have to experience this. For dinner, we headed to Crown Grill, a specialty restaurant that offers an intimate dining experience in a classically elegant setting. Just so you know, this particular restaurant is not included in the cruise package, but there are several other options that's included, and I will be talking about it in this video. For appetizer, I had marinated tomatoes and mozzarella, and oh my god, burst of flavors, so tasty. Next, French onion soup and some vegan pasta as main course, super delicious. Now it was time for the dessert. Oh my god, this is the tastiest dessert I have ever had in my life. It's vegan, sugar-free, gluten-free. It's called blueberry roulade. So after an incredible dinner, it was time for movie under the stars. So on the top deck, this exclusive open-air poolside amphitheater is the go-to destination for films. I was served with a blanket, and in the comfortable lounger, I was feeling so cozy. With the Ocean Now feature on the Medallion class app, you can now order whatever you need. I ordered some hot chocolate and the delivery was fast, free, and I love the service. And not just coffee, you can order popcorn as well. Hi guys, so it's day 2 of vlogging, and today I'm gonna show you guys around, but before that I want to show you guys something else. Look at this. So I'm gonna have my breakfast in bed. Now it's time for me to explore the cruise. A dramatic over-the-ocean glass walkway, the Sea Walk is the first of its kind at sea. Honestly, I was so excited just to walk on it. It was a thrilling experience. Now I'm off to Horizon Court. The food here is included in your cruise package. You can have breakfast, lunch and dinner, and there are plenty of options. If you are a vegan or a vegetarian, you can find good options, but make sure to ask the chef if he can make something for you. If you have a sweet tooth like I do, then you will love the pastry shop. I loved it actually because I could find vegan options here, and there are so many options when it comes to amazing desserts. And what's the best part? It's included in your cruise package. Another option that is included in your cruise package is this international cafe. It's open 24 hours a day and it's a place where you can have small bite meals, treats and gourmet beverages. It is located in the piazza. If you're looking for a classic Italian meal, Sabatini's won't disappoint you. Sabatini is a very beautiful restaurant. Look at this, it's so gorgeous. But one thing that I want to show you guys is the view. So if you are gonna sit and have your lunch or dinner, you're just gonna have an amazing time because the view is gorgeous. Look at this. Wow. Now talking about burning all those calories. This gym on board is well equipped and the view is amazing. Now talking about relaxation, revitalize in the Lotus Spa. You can choose from a variety of treatments such as aroma stone therapy, massages and detoxifying ocean wraps. I'm back in my stateroom and I want you guys to know about this revolutionary device. So this tiny device is called Ocean Medallion. It's free to all guests and it is waterproof. Do you know everybody on board knows where I am just because of this device? I mean, this is super revolutionary. So this provides keyless entry to staterooms, enables payment around the ship, contactless boarding, and the best part, which I really like, is enabling guests to have food, drinks and retail items delivered directly to their location on the ship and in selected ports. Surprise! I'm all glammed up. So tonight's gonna be Dress to Impress evening and that's the reason why you see me all dolled up. And later tonight we are gonna watch comedian Josh Daniels in Princess Theatre. I'm really excited and I'm looking forward to it. Right before the show, I went for dinner at this restaurant called Concerto. Do you know that there are few options in Concerto which is included in your cruise package? I really loved the meal. I was served with an Indian meal, so I was quite happy to try their vegetable curry. And for desserts, I ordered vegan vanilla cake and cranberry sorbet. One word for it: wow. Finally, it was time for the show in this ultra-modern theatre called the Princess Theatre. It showcases lavish original productions with dynamic cast members in sumptuous surrounding. Comedian Josh Daniels made us laugh hard.
My hands have absorbed so much alcohol.
Wait. I hope you guys are excited for part 2 of this vlog. Stay tuned. So in the next part of this video, you will watch me enjoying all the activities on board, having some amazing time watching the shows and of course the food. I really love the food on board. You will see more about it and I'll also be answering all the basic questions of yours like cost of this trip and much more. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you guys like this video. If you didn't, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel.